Find the equation of the line with a slope of 3 and crossing the point -2, 1. When you know the slope of the line and one point on the line, use the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus 1. M is the slope of the line, x1 is the x-coordinate, y1 is the y-coordinate. Plug these values into the point-slope form, so we get y minus 1 equals 3 times the quantity x minus -2. Distributing the 3 to the two terms here, we get y minus 1 equals 3x minus 3 times -2. Simplifying, we get y minus 1 equals 3x plus -3 times -2 is plus 6. Now all we need to do is get rid of this term. So we add 1 to both sides, and we get y equals 3x plus 6 plus 1. Simplifying, we get the equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x plus 7. And this is the line that crosses this point and has a slope of 3.